Okay, this is going to be a little bit interesting. I'm going to have to still figure out all the camera aesthetics and everything. Anyways, don't have to dull everyone. But welcome back. My name is Sukam, and I want to continue the conversation around my projects and using AI. So originally, I talked about a three-phase project: phase one, phase two, phase three of the leadership development training, and we are currently in phase two. Now, I went to Claude and I asked Claude, hey, I'm going to be spending the next 2 months, and the focus around phase two is going to be around engagement. Essentially, phase one, we focus on the different leadership tools that we are taught, and now we want to utilize these tools in our one-on-ones, in our touch base, and after 2 months of gathering data, we'll go into phase three and more about phase three later. But the goal is that I want to see how do I get people to use their phones or computers to click on a QR code that will take them to a 4-question survey, and then out of the survey, it will tell us what tools are you using, how impactful is it, and what tools do you plan on using next time. Any additional feedback. That's it. Just 4 simple questions. And I'm hoping to generate enough data to kind of point us towards the direction on what tools in touch bases that is the most relevant, most impactful, which will help us in phase three. Okay, so I went to Claude and I asked Claude that question. I told him the parameters and everything explained, and it spit back out to me a 8-week course where I'm gonna find creative ways to remind our teams. Now, the interesting part of this is I'm probably gonna have to figure a way how to capture this information, whether it be a picture or screen recording to share back with the group. But I'm just gonna read briefly. It's called the 8-week arc, and it talks about in phase two, we are doing 2 jobs. One is adoption, that's what they call it. It's getting leaders to reach for the 4 tools in their touch bases. Okay, that's right. Job 2, it's clean data, capturing enough signal to justify the phase 3, the handoff, or the next part of the plan. All right, I like that. Let's see. The week 1 plan. They call it light the match launch. So we set a visible team goal and put the QR everywhere at once. Pocket cards, huddle boards, badge packs, badge bags, pin it in teams, introduce one persistent visual, a flame, a thermometer graphic that feels as a submission comes in. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's a good idea. This is your anchor for the whole campaign. Frame the why. This data decides what phase 3 become. I love it. I think that's a good starting point. I kind of did part of this already by putting some reminders in Teams chat, and I shared with the team a week and a half in already, and we are five surveys is what's been logged so far. Again, there's a lot been going on. It's a slower start. I don't have a problem. We still have the time frame, and we'll be tackling that. Hopefully, I can work out the camera and antics so I can share with the team the plan for the next 8 weeks. If not, I'll take the next couple of days to go over each phase and kind of talk through it like what I'm doing right now. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you next time.